Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to a brand new video. So hope you guys are having an amazing day or night. Last time I said day, most people were saying that it's night time where they live, so that's why I decided to say hope you guys are having an amazing day or night depending on whatever is outside. So today I want to talk on a topic which was in my mind for the last couple of days. I know you have read the title of this video, pre-installed screen protectors or screen guards, whatever you want to call them. So you guys may be wondering what's the catch with the companies giving this stuff for free. Well, I don't have any problem with the case, but for the screen protector I too have a problem because most companies were not offering it for free in the last year. I mean, most mid-range and like budget smartphones were offering, but flagship were definitely not offering the protector, the pre-installed protector for free. I mean, it's not something which you get from the company. Even Apple still doesn't offer this kind of stuff. So the thing is, it may not be very common in Western countries, but in Asian countries the first thing you really do after buying a smartphone is to get a case and to get a screen protector. So after companies started putting these pre-installed screen protectors, what most people started thinking is because these pre-installed ones are from the companies, it's going to be much better quality and it's going to protect their smartphone from drops. Well, in reality, these protectors are made out of plastic. They are not made out of a glass, so that they cannot even hold some really heavy scratches. Because of that, some people also got their screen cracked up because they thought that the pre-installed screen protector is going to protect their smartphone screen. So the message I really want to convey in this video is, if you're the type of person who really likes the smartphone to last more than a year or so and who doesn't like cracks on the screen, then I will definitely recommend you to get a real deal from Amazon or from outside. Get a glass screen protector and get it from a company such as Speaker or some other company. I wouldn't recommend buying the cheap one because you do lose some of the screen sensitivity and your viewing angles are not very nice. But the protector which comes pre-installed on your smartphone is definitely not going to protect your smartphone against heavy scratches or even drops, because as you guys know, glass is much better as compared to plastic, because if you put a glass on the screen, it's definitely another layer that is going to protect your screen, but plastic doesn't protect your smartphone the same way this glass really protects it. So I've been using the Galaxy S10e for the last 2 to 3 months and I don't like to put my smartphone with keys and coins, and after using it for like 2 to 3 months, my smartphone screen protector is full of scratches. I mean, it was something which I was thinking the same. I thought maybe these protectors are made out of tempered glass or something like that. That's why I didn't remove it, but later on I discovered that they are plastic screen protectors. They are not glass, they are not any other material. They are just a cheap plastic screen protector which is good for some light scratches, which definitely can't hold any heavy scratches or even drops. So this is why I decided to make this short video, to make sure that everyone who's watching them, because these protectors are offered on like every smartphone now from the companies. I mean, the budget smartphones are having them, the mid-range smartphones are having them, even the flagship, the S10, even the Note 9. I think it was also available on the Note 8. I'm not really confirmed. Oppo, Xiaomi, Huawei, all of them are offering them for free. So I decided to make this video because I know most people don't know about this. So I think with that being said, that's it for this video. If you like the video, make sure to give it a like, and if you're new, consider subscribing and become a part of this channel. And thanks for watching and goodbye.